Hey guys, I am Rajat and in this video I will show you how you can install Rebellion OS 1.9 StarWars version in your Samsung Exynos 7870 devices. And also I am going to cover some features and bugs, benchmark score and it is usable or not. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Let's start this video with the installation. To install the ROM, all you need to do is turn off your device and boot it to your custom recovery mode by pressing the home button, power key and the volume up key at the same time. It is not necessary to have the orange box recovery. For the installation, you can use any other recoveries also like TWRP recovery mode and Skyhawk also. Now after opening your custom recovery mode, you have to wipe your device. For that, just go to the third section called wipe and wipe your Dalvik, Artcache, cache, system and data. As you can see that my device has been successfully wiped. So let me just quickly show you the zip files and the image file that you need for installing this ROM. Now for the installation, the first zip that you need is the Exynos 7870 create window zip file. Second one is the project spaghetti zip file and third one is the premiser zip. And the one image file that you need is the Rebellion OS ROM's image file. All the links of the zip files and the image file has given in the description box. Now to install the ROM, first of all flash the create window zip file. Now after installing it, reboot your recovery mode. The second thing that you need to install is the project spaghetti zip file. Let me show you by doing this. Now just go back and flash the image file of the Rebellion OS ROM as system image. The installation of the image file will take a large amount of time, so be patient. As you can see that the image file has been successfully installed. Now just go back and flash the premiser zip file. Now just tap on reboot system, by that your device will be booted automatically. So here is our Rebellion OS 1.9 StarWars version, and if we go to the settings and then about phone, then we can find that the Rebellion OS version is 1.9 based on StarWars. The Android security patch level is June 5th 2020 and the kernel that has been used is Helios Pi Travel version 4. In terms of bugs and features, let's start with the connectivity. And in terms of connectivity, mobile data, Wi-Fi and hotspot are working nicely, but the Bluetooth is partially dead. Sometimes it stopped working. And the blue light filter and dark mode also works. Let me show you by using this. Now in terms of the UI is very smooth and the pre-installed camera app also works. And the default launcher that has been used has the launcher application. By that you can customize your launcher and you can do a great customization from the Rebellion hub. The two applications that I will use for the benchmark score are CPDT and most commonly used application Antutu. By default, the safety net pass is failed. That means you cannot access the banking apps using this ROM. Now the question is, the ROM is usable or not? Like the other GSI based ROMs, the Rebellion OS also has screen delay wake up issue and random reboots. So this is not suitable for daily usage, but if you are a developer or curious to check how it works, then you can definitely install it. So this is all about the Rebellion OS. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. And guys, I will talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.